Aloha again, everybody. Mike Drutar, principal broker and owner of NextHome Paradise Realty, bringing you another property tour. First things first, click like and subscribe. I appreciate that. Helps me out a lot. I am in one of my favorite condo floor plans in all of Kona and the Big Island. I like it so much that this is the floor plan that I live in as well. Bought about 4 years ago down at Kona Sea Ridge. We are in Kona Sea Villas, also built by the same developer, Sunstone. This unit is 3 bedrooms, 3 baths, 2 floors, plus a loft, detached garage, 1,763 square feet. So we got a lot of square footage. For a condo, this is really big. Kona Sea Villas is a gated community, has a fitness center, has a pool. Let's just kind of get to it. This one is listed by Mike Despard and Kristi Despard at Hualalai. Thank you to them in Hualalai for allowing me to bring this property to you. We're listed at $815,000. So coming in the front door, people like me, I'm a cyclist. They've got stuff in here, personal belongings, but you have a giant closet that goes there. I can fit a triathlon bike, a road bike, and a mountain bike in there. Staircase upstairs, we'll get to that. And then you have another access over down here to put more storage. One thing with the condo is storage is always a challenge. With this one, you got some extra storage. Also with the 1-car detached garage that we have out there, there's some additional storage that you can do, especially if you hang things from the ceiling and whatnot. Works out really well. So bedroom number, we'll call this bedroom number 3. Downstairs, guest bedroom. Good size closet. You could easily fit, this is a queen size bed. You could easily fit a California king in here. You could even fit an Eastern king in here as well if you wanted to. Plenty of space for that. And then we have one of our 3 bathrooms right downstairs here. Perfect setup. Good for this downstairs bedroom. And of course, everyone, when they are downstairs, we have a linen closet right there. And the amount of living space, true space to live and entertain that you have in this floor plan is really the game changer. And it's what I like about so much. So I've seen this set up a number of different ways. Generally, everyone has this as their dining area. They did a really nice job on that one. They got some wood floors there. And then people generally set it up pretty similar to this, have this as your conversation lounge area. And we have these wonderful vaulted ceilings going all the way up with these massive windows that let in plenty of light. Really awesome. This is the one condo floor plan that lives like a house to me. And then over into the area, everyone kind of does this, sets this up as the TV area. So you can arrange this in a lot of different ways. I've seen people even turn this whole area into sort of entertaining living area, and then putting the dining room table outside, doing a lot of dining out there. Now, in the summertime, it does get a little bit warm, no doubt about it, but most of the year, you're gonna have the house opened up. We have the AC on in here right now. It does have central air conditioning, so that's really nice to have. You definitely need it on these units. In the hottest part of the summer, those windows that I showed that are up high, they definitely let in a decent amount of heat. So everything's big in here. So we got a big living space. All the bedrooms are pretty good size. I'll show you the owner's suite in a moment, which is really big. But the kitchen is really big. This is as big of a kitchen as you're gonna find in a condo, I gotta tell you. They did a nice job on here. They have stainless steel appliances. They got the original granite thermofoil cabinets on these. This is all pretty much original. I'm starting to see some people replace these. These are the staple cabinets. They're not soft close. They were pretty standard when this was built back in the day. This is built in 2004. And this is what we have in our condo as well. And then you'll see a couple different granites, but it's the granite that you were seeing pretty much everywhere back there in 04. A lot of cabinet space up top and a massive pantry. This unit is lived in, so I'm going to avoid opening any more closets as I did at that first one because of people's personal belongings. I want to be respectful of that. Coming outside sometimes people say, okay, upstairs is better, but I got to go upstairs and I don't have a lanai. Downstairs is great because I don't have to do stairs, but I have to listen to people upstairs. So one thing that's really awesome about this floor plan and these units, and these are in Ali'i Cove, Kona Sea Ridge, and Kona Sea Villas, is that the only people upstairs are you. So you don't have other people up there making noise, driving you crazy. And you still have this huge downstairs lanai. Now, when these were originally built, that lanai just basically went over here to the corner. It was just a little pad. Most people extended it out after they got in and added a lot more space. And you could do a lot more out here. They have it nice and open, but I'll tell you on mine, I have the same thing. I have the grill set up over there. Since you're not covered, you can have your own gas grill, even though there are gas grills over at the pool. But I have a dining room table over there. I have another lounge area over here with a fire pit. You really have a lot of space. I've had a party with 25 people in this condo floor plan at our place, and it definitely holds it well. And you can't say that about a lot of condos. We have a great ocean view. So this is where Kona Sea Villas is better than Ali'i Cove and better than Kona Sea Ridge. Pretty much every unit's gonna have an outstanding ocean view. Got some more storage in that closet right there. This is just a massive lanai area, so it's really awesome. Again, this place lives like a house. This is why I got one. All right, let's make our way upstairs. And I mentioned this 3 bedrooms, and I also mentioned the loft. And here's why that's really important. Another thing that really set it as a differentiator for me in the condo market. So many people have to work from home or do some work from home. You want an office setup. The thing that's really cool about this floor plan is you can turn this into your office, this loft area, and you don't have to sacrifice a bedroom. So if you're a larger family and you got a few kids and they each need to have their own bedroom, if you need to have an office, you still have that. This condo can actually work for you. So real quickly, we'll take a look at this bedroom here. This is another guest bedroom. It's going to be an exact mirror of what we had downstairs. And then here we have a pretty good view of our loft area. So it's a really good area. I've seen people set that up as another TV area. If they had downstairs as more living space. Some people don't like to have TVs around so much. They like to have it in more of a quiet area. They don't want it to be the focus of the house. And then we have this bathroom here, which is also, there I am, aloha guys, where they keep the washer and dryer. They got a front-loading washer and dryer on here, so good job on that. A lot of times on condos, you see that apartment stack washer dryer, which is really small, can't do big loads. I like having that done with a full-size washer and dryer. That's what I did at my place too. Some of these condos, there's slight variations from one complex to another, even though you have pretty much the same floor plan. This one has a different setup in the ceiling as mine. It's maybe a little bit higher actually. I think mine's a couple feet lower there at the top. And sometimes where on this one we had that area right there is where the washer and dryer are, but the access is on inside the bathroom. On Kona Sea Ridge, it's in the same spot, but the access is on the outside of the bathroom. So it's a wall inside where you saw the washer and dryer and a door here with access to the washer and dryer, which I actually kind of prefer because then you can pull your stuff out if you need and kind of your sorting and everything, even putting your laundry loads together. You can do that right there. And then into the owner's suite, I'm gonna get to the other side here so we have a better view with the light behind us. This is another thing that makes this floor plan really awesome to me. This is a big bedroom for a condo. There are not many condos in this market that have a bedroom this big. That's an Eastern, regular king size bed. So it's the wide one, not a little bit more narrow like the California king. And you could put another one on this wall right here and still fit it. It's a big room. You can see we got about 4 feet on this side of the bed, maybe a little bit more than 4 feet on this side of the bed. We got another 12 feet or so from the end of the bed to the wall. Plenty of space. Coming in here, We have dual vanities on opposite sides, so one person on this side and another person over on that side. So good space there. Water closet with your shower. And then another closet in here, a small walk-in closet. And it's pretty much right about the same size as that. It's gonna have their personal belongings, so I'm gonna not take a video of that today. And then the best part, this is what we do. We come out to sunset on our upstairs lanai, but we don't have this good of an ocean view. This is an excellent ocean view unit. So here you are, you have a giant condo with 3 bedrooms plus a loft. It lives like a house. A giant lanai downstairs, a lanai upstairs with outstanding ocean views. I mean, this is everything you need. This is what people are looking for in a house, and now you have it in a condo. So when you go back to the mainland, if you're here part-time, you lock the door and you leave. You don't have to have a landscaper come while you're gone. I'm gonna take one last view. Look at that view. Excellent. All right, so thanks for joining on the tour. Click like and subscribe. I got more videos over to the side. Hope to see you again real soon. Aloha.